Welcome back to WION World is One. Thank you so much for staying with us. My name is Him Korsura and here's a look at all of the top stories that we're tracking for you at this hour. Hezbollah says 10 of its members killed in pager explosions across the country, more than 2,700 people injured. Lebanon vows to punish Israel for the attack. Several military personnel killed in terrorist attacks in Mali on a military training camp near the airport in nation's capital. Members of Bangladesh's opposition party BNP rally in capital Dhaka calling for fresh elections. This as interim government grants army magistracy power, eligible officers to serve as executive magistrates. Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump says he will meet Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi next week. This as President Biden will host leaders from Australia, India and Japan this weekend in Delaware. Voting underway in 24 constituencies across 7 districts in the first phase of polls in India's Jammu and Kashmir. First assembly elections in 10 years. Diddy Combs pleads not guilty after being charged with racketeering, conspiracy and sex trafficking. Indictment accuses the superstar rapper of engaging in decades of sexual abuse of women. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.